Hi, Rana here from Technical Rescue Team Parliament. Today we will learn how to make a template in Google Apps script code to adjust and format the sheet quickly with just a menu. So for in my case, I want to color the first row and I also want to delete the columns with name headers. For example, department, country, serial, but I want to keep full name and first name, last, job title, company name, email, and then website. So sometimes the list is unmanaged and unsorted, but I want to make a template where I will run the code and sheet will be in the proper format according to my need. So for this purpose, I'm using ChatGPT. Write app script code to format the sheet, color the first row yellow, rearrange columns in this sequence, first name, last name, job title, company name, and website, email. Also delete all other columns and wrap the all columns formatting. Also delete complete row with any missing cell within data range under the headers. The next thing is bold the headers, change the access of sheet to anyone with link can access. Also make menu to trigger the function. Let's wait for the code. Okay, here it's created the menu. So now it will remove some columns and change the order of the columns. So let me add some sample data. Okay, for now I am using no color and using everywhere. Okay, Here's the sample text. Let's remove some rows. I have some rows, so no emails, and no job titles. So let's see. Here we have the complete code. Let's copy this. Go to the sheet, extension, app scripts. Remove everything from the code.js. Select all, remove, and paste your code. Click the save and refresh the sheet. Okay, wait for the menus, it will be visible here. So now click on the custom menu and format sheet. Here you can see, let's remove all unnecessary columns and drag up the headers. It was unable to change the access because it needs, I think, the admin permission. Let's edit this. Okay, let's again go to the extension app scripts. Okay, the code is ready. Copy the code and again paste here, replace with the previous code. Click the save button and refresh the Google Sheet. Okay, let's again show the previous text, sample data. Let's check this. Okay, let's add some sample data. Also a serial number. 2, 3. Some here. Let's again copy the code, paste here. Okay, the code is same. Now just click here and format the sheet. Okay, the last name is not found. Ignore the column if header not found. Okay, again the revised version is ready. Replace this, click the save, again refresh. Okay, what's changed here? Let's check. Okay, just refresh the sheet. Okay, it's having some problem. Let's check the details. Copy this error and add this here. Okay, I think some problem with the sample text. Okay, I'll copy the code, again paste and save, then refresh the sheet. Let's remove the bolt. Okay, custom menu, format sheet. As you can see, the sheet is now adjusted. Now I can use this code or reuse this code whenever I have the data in the Google Sheet. I will just go to the extension, AppScript, and paste this code. The sheet will be ready according to my required formatting. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.